Namaste students, welcome to our EVS class. In today's class, we are starting block 8 and we are doing the first lesson. The name of the lesson is Materials and Objects. On your screen, you can see there are some items which are made from different materials. Some are made with steel, some are made with plastic, some beams we can see they are made with wooden. The material wood. Let us learn more about materials and objects, right? So let's move ahead. We already know that objects around us are made from different materials. Today, we will learn to identify materials used to make various objects around us. Dear students, if you look around yourself, you can see there are many objects. The doors of the room, the bowls, the benches, the dining table, the bed or the window frames. What are these made up of? What material is used to make this? Right? So let us do some activities in order to identify the materials with which things are made. The keywords that we are going to learn are metallic sound. What is metallic sound? Sound produced when a metal is hit by another metal. Right? Such kind of sound is a metallic sound. When you go to temple, when you strike the bell, what kind of sound does it give? It gives a tong kind of sound. So that is an example of metallic sound. Why? Because the metal, the bells, the parts of the bell are made with metal only. So one piece of metal, when it hits another piece of metal, you get the metallic sound. So we can identify by the sound also that the material is made with metal. Striking means hitting something. Striking means hitting something. Dull, which is not shiny. Now let us do this activity. So these are some things which are found in our house very easily. So here we have a steel spoon, a plastic box, a plastic water bottle and a steel plate. So what is the activity that we are going to do? Take the spoon and strike the plastic box. You hit the plastic box. What kind of sound you get? You write in your notebook. Now hit the plastic bottle. Write down this kind of sound you hear when you hit the plastic bottle. Now for the third time, when you hit the plate, the steel plate or the metal plate, you get a sound like tongue kind of sound. So that is a metallic sound. So this is one activity. Then and try to bend these things. So we have here on your screen the picture of a wooden box, a wooden basket, a eraser which is made out of rubber, the rubber slippers and a clay pot. So these items are made with wood, rubber and clay. Where do we get clay from, students? We get clay from soil. So can you bend these? Which of these items are can be bent easily? The slippers, the eraser, right? Basket you can try, right? Now write the names of objects that bend easily. Among these pictures, which objects bend easily you should write. So spoon, can you bend it easily? No. Plastic box, can you bend it easily? Yes. If we try, the plastic box can bend. Plastic bottle, can you bend it easily? Yes, you can bend it or you can crumple it. So metal plate, no, we can't do it. So take out your classwork and you draw this word web in your classwork, Nana. So what is that you are doing? So we are going to draw a word web. Inside the circles we are going to write the different type of materials with which things are made. Okay, the materials with which things are made, that material name we are going to write in the circles. Okay, materials: wood. With wood baskets are made. With wood, wooden furniture like doors, chairs are made. With metal, spoons, plates, bowls are made. With plastic, water bottles, boxes, tiffin boxes, many other things are made out of plastic. Rubber is used as erasers. It is also used in making tires. Rubber is also used in making slippers. With soil, I mean the clay, we have seen the clay pot, right? So neatly draw this word web in your classwork and color it lightly. Now let us watch this video and enjoy.
Different objects are made from different materials, such as metal, wood, plastic, rubber, and soil. Some objects are made using more than one material.
So this is what we have learned. Different things are made from different materials. Sometimes two types of materials are used to make one item. Like the example of a knife. The knife in the kitchen. See, the front part of the knife is made with metal and the handle is made with plastic. So sometimes things are also made out of two materials. Right? Now, how are the things made from wood and metal similar, and how are they different? See, we know that some things are made out of wood, like the doors, the window panes, the dining tables, and some things are also made with metal. So the benches, the crockery means the plates, spoons, these are made with metal. Right? So how are they same? What are some things same between this metal and wood, and what are some things different from this? Things made from wood and metal are hard. See? Things made from wood and metal are hard. They cannot bend easily. So in the activity, when you try to bend, you could bend the items which were made with plastic and rubber. But with metal and wood, were you able to bend a little? No. So wooden things are usually brown in color and have dull surface. So things that are made with wooden are brown in color and have dull surface. So if you look at the doors, windows, or the furniture, you can see that they are in brown in color. And if it is shining in your house, if you think madam said it is dull color but it is shining, that is because of the polish, extra varnish which they added. Okay, things made from metals are usually shining and they make a metal sound. See, the plates, the spoons, they will be shining, right? So what kind of sound they give? They give the metallic sound. What are the materials we use to make different things? We use different materials like metal, rubber, plastic, wood and soil to make different things. I repeat, all of you raise your fingers and you count once again on the tips of your fingers. What are the different types of metals with things are made? With which things are made? Metal, rubber, plastic, wood and soil. Sometimes 2 or 3 materials are used together to make one object. Yes, now we have seen that knife. It is made with 2 materials, metal and plastic. So, sometimes 2 or more than 2 materials are used to make one object. For example, wood is used to make a door while its handle is made of metal. Yes, now go and touch the door, feel it. The whole door is made out of wood. But if you touch the bolt, then once again it is made with metal. So here in the door we can see 2 materials are used to make that single thing. Okay. Now let us look at this picture. So this is the word web. With wood, what are the things that are made? With wood, box is made, baskets are made. With metal, what are the things made? Spoons are made, plates are made. With plastics, what are the things made? Lunch box are made, bottles are made. With rubber, eraser and slippers are made. With soil, the clay pot was made. Right? So, what is the difference in ways we get wood, metal and plastic? Where do we get wood from? Where do we get metal from? Where do we get plastic from? Okay. So, we get wood from trees. All of us know that when we want to get wood, people cut down the trunks of the trees. So, these trunks are again made into proper shapes. They are cut into proper shapes and doors, windows, furniture, beds are made. So, trees are natural and living things. Where do we get wood from? We get wood from trees. So, trees are natural living things. We are getting from living things. They are found in nature. We get metal from earth. It is natural but a non-living thing. Even metal is also from nature. When you dig the ground, you can mine the minerals. But is metal a living thing? No. Metal is a non-living thing. Whereas trees are living things. From trees we are getting the wood. From metal is a non-living thing, right? We make plastic in the factories. It is a human made thing. Okay, plastic is made in factories. It is a human made thing. Now all of you open your worksheet beta. This is 8.1. Put today's date and read the first question. Materials and objects. Tick the materials that can be used to make these things. Bed. To make a bed, which material is used? Wood or glass? Wood. Put a tick to wood. B. For making shoe, soil is used or rubber is used? Rubber is used. Put a tick to the rubber. C. To make a book, metal is used or paper is used? Paper is used. So, put a tick to the paper. D. To make a cloth, cotton is used or soil is used? Cotton is used. So, put a tick to the cotton. Question 2. Draw one thing that can be made using each of these materials. With metal, what can be made? You draw a big plate there. Okay, with metal, a steel plate is made. With wood, what is made? A basket is made or a door is made. You can draw this thing and color it. Question 3. A potter makes a pot. Which material is used to make it? The clay is used to make the pot. You write clay, C-L-A-Y, clay. Clay is used to make the pot. Then question B, how do we get the materials? We get this material clay when we dig the soil, when we dig the ground. So, the potter mixes up the soil with water and makes a soft clay and shapes them into the pots. Right? Now, let us answer the practice questions in the content book. All of you open your content book. Read the practice questions. Question 1. Circle the materials in this group. Wood, pen, car, metal, jar, plastic. So, some of them are material and some are the names of the things which are made from materials. So, you are going to circle only the materials. Okay, how can you identify materials? With these things are made. So, wood is a material, pen and car are items. So, don't circle them. Wood you circle. Metal is a material, circle it. Jar is an item, so don't circle it. Plastic is a material, so put a circle around it. Okay. Question 2. Write one thing each in your classroom that is made of plastic, wood and metal. Right. So, in your classroom, what are the things that are made with plastic? Tell me, students. With plastic, the covers, the folders, the switchboards, the switches are made with plastic. So, inside the classroom we can find these things. With wood, the door is made, the window panes are made. With metal, benches are made, some benches are made. Right, the bolt of the doors are made with metal, the racks in which we keep the books are made with metal. Question 3. Which material is used to make a frying pan? To make a frying pan, a metal is used as well as the plastic is used to make the handle. Two materials are used. What are used? Metal and plastic are used. B. How do we get that material? Metal we get from underground. It is from nature. It is a non-living thing. Plastic, it is made by humans in factories. right? So read the lesson twice, underline new words, do the activity. That's all for now.